KTC gaming monitor. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back for another video. In today's video we're gonna unbox this cool monitor from KTC. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased this monitor by myself. Now a little bit about the company. This company has been on the market from 1995 if I'm not wrong. They are very popular in China and very good price as well. I'm gonna give you the price in a second. So this is a 27-inch. It's a 1440p monitor, which I think 1440p should be essential in 2025. Also, the monitor is with IPS panel, 1 milliseconds response time. So we have pretty cool specs, FreeSync and G-Sync enable. We have the HDR10 as well, which this is pretty cool. 124% of sRGB, VESA mount. We have HDMI. I'm gonna show you the ports when we open the box in a second, but currently this monitor goes for £149 here in UK. So link in the description. Also I'm gonna leave the official website. Again, this is not a sponsored video. I purchased the KTC by myself. I'm gonna leave the all the stuff there. Now, without further ado, let's unbox it. 27-inch is quite good, in my opinion. Start. So let's see. This is gonna be huge, in my opinion. It's gonna be a little bit awkward to open that. It's like I'm fighting here with this box. We have very good specs for the price. Now, what we have on the top here. So this is the base of the actual stand. As you can see, it has a quick release, which is, you don't see that in the budget gaming monitors, which is pretty cool. So we have that. This is part of the base. Immediately, this is metal. This is pretty cool because I do like the base to be flat. Obviously, when you have a monitors with the legs spring on your desk, this is not good, so you're not going to be able to put stuff, but I already like that. So this is the base. It's a flat base. I'm gonna leave this on the side. What else we have? So this is the power adapter, so you need that. We have the 3-pin UK plug. This is UK plug. I live in UK. Also, they include a display port, which is very nice. And last but not least, let's have a look at the KTC monitor. Wow, this looks amazing. Let me move this so you can have a look properly. But before I show you the monitor, let's have a look quickly the ports. So at least you can see the ports now. So let me zoom in. I don't know if you can see. So on this side we have a power button. Also this acts as a joystick as well, so you can move. I mean, this for the settings, but I'm gonna show you when we turn the monitor on. Now what we have here, so we have the DC power, we have a Type C port. I'm not sure if this port actually will work, so I'm gonna try to use it. I don't think this adds any functionality. We'll see if we put like a flash drive, or I don't know, we'll test it. The monitor doesn't support any speakers, so which this is normal for the budget monitors. We have two HDMI ports and a display port and a headphone jack, which I think this is pretty cool. Pretty normal for that. Now, let me show you how to attach the stand. This is pretty simple. As you can see, the brackets here, they have to go on this side. So there's a lot of stuff going on here. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward, as you can see. And you can hear the click. And now it's attached. There's a quick release here. So if you press that, you have to push it up and this will open. Pretty simple but effective. Yeah, this is the unboxing. And yeah, let me remove the plastic so you can have a look the back of the monitor. So as you can see, it looks pretty nice with this design. I like it. I like it. This looks very nice. There is no RGB lights, but yeah, it will be cool if there's some RGB lights, but obviously it's a budget monitor. Now let's plug this monitor to my PC and yeah, let's have a look at the picture quality.